leaving Savannah, Georgia. We making gains on it. Get ready to cross into South Carolina.
South Carolina.
All right. Y'all ready? Here we go.
Hey.
Slappy dog.
And I want to sing a song for you.
Here's Slappy
Show
dog.
you a thing or two. You have fun now with me and all the gang. Learning from each other while we do our thing.
I was going to try to go to Alcoa home game tonight, but that ain't going to happen. UPS free.
Oh, this is an old show.
Maybe we need to get Chloe.
Yeah.
I think Chloe and Ron will be a good candidate. I keep forgetting about him.
I don't forgot about them too.
I got him though.
I do believe. Chloe and Ron. Yep.
Next time we get some gas, I'm gonna park, put that camera up, and just let it roll. South Carolina says welcome. Welcome.
Right. South Carolina.
Do you like this kind of helmet that I got on my head?
Yeah.
That should be your, I guess if you want an open face helmet and you can still have your music, have your headset in it.
Yes, sir. Did you see how I rigged that speaker? I had that old speaker rigged on my little steering wheel thing.
No.
When we left Key West and I didn't have a helmet on, we stopped for Kevin to get that air and I was flying. I pulled out that Bose speaker and my bungee cord and had it strapped to this socket. I was like, I gotta hear something.
Could you hear it?
Finally, I could hear more words and music, so I knew what song was playing.
Damn. You know that speaker that I got that I carry?
Uh-huh.
It's a waterproof motorcycle speaker.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it comes with a little thing. You mount it to your bike and screw it in. Now it ain't.
I see the little screw hole. Yeah.
Yeah, it ain't real loud. I was gonna use it on my 109. You know, of course, it'd be better than nothing. But I didn't use it for my little box now.
Yeah, that's how mine was better than that, but it sounds way better indoors.
And you know what? We didn't even ask Shay unless he found your damn whatchamacallit.
We didn't ask what?
Shayla, if she found your earbuds.
Oh, shit. Sure did.
Damn. Say, you think about that shit now, Slappy.
That's all right, though. And that's why we didn't think about it, because in my mind, I was like, fuck it, I'm going to just order it more. Because I have to have it to work.
Yeah.
So I just ordered and have a backup there.
I've never used them damn things. They work pretty good.
Oh yeah, those are awesome. But I had ordered Samsung, and it was like around Christmas maybe where they was on sale.
How much they cost?
I think they was like $120 something, and I got them for $89.
Yeah, okay. I got one of them that I use to do my editing on my phone and shit. Like if you got a computer and you don't want nobody to bother nobody.
Yeah.
I ain't got no double here. I got one here. I do got a horse collar, but I can hear my music while I'm going down the road. All right, we doing it, y'all. About 3:56 p.m. And oh yeah, it's gonna be a long night trying to get home. But we all feeling good, being safe out here, doing our thing. We on I-95, northbound, about mile marker 84. And we are getting ready to hit I-26 right there. We get closer and closer by every mile. And I had a good time on this trip. Like all my other trips, I have a good time on all of them. Got to hang out with some folks, made some new friends, and got to see some things. Got to see some things I might not have wanted to see, but I seen it anyway. I might have to wash my eyeballs out with some holy water. It's all in good fun, man. We blessed to be able to have these bikes and get out here and have some grown folks fun. Now it's time to go back to the real world and pay for some of this stuff and get ready for the next adventure. For the next adventure. I'm already got something up my sleeve. And doggone it, you gotta have a passport and a good attitude. Maybe a couple of dollars in your back pocket. Another Shut Up and Ride tour is in the works. Where y'all want to go? Where you think we're gonna go? I've been there twice already, but I will go back. I'd have been to Key West. It's 5 times for me. I guess we better get it. Here we go, I-26 westbound. Hammer down. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, Hope.
Yeah.
You need me to come on up here? You good?
No, I'm good. I'm just looking for a gas line. I'm good to go.
All right. You hungry again?
Not really.
Yeah. I got that other half of Subway. I might nibble on it while I get some gas.
Yeah, I might take a bite, but I ain't hungry. Slow it down. Slow it down. I think this might be a good exit right here.
Orangeburg. Orangeburg sounds like a good place for some oranges. Or a bird.
So should I, and I should put the gas on. Guess I need to see where they are. Never mind.
Yeah, that.
The Shell, the Exxon, and the BP.
Oh, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with none of them. Some gas is better than no gas. I had put a couple of stops. I put that non-ethanol. I run a lot of non-ethanol at home. I put some of that Florida Blue non-ethanol in mine.
Ooh, this is a tight turn.
Got the hooking. Ooh, that's a nice video. Should have had the GoPro going for that.
Okay. Well, then we can say which right or left. Shit. Is anything right?
You don't see no signs?
They all left. They all left.
All right. Oh, that bad boy look good from the back, Hope.
So, hey, should I get gas on the left?
It don't matter.
So we'll be on that side, or?
Yeah, it don't matter.
Okay.
We are professionals.
What's the
Yeah.
BP?
As long as they got a red light, we'll get it back out here.
Probably should be the Exxon.
It ain't too late.
Yeah,
BP crowded or something?
a little bit, yeah.
I mean, they got some good gas in. Yeah, them ones that ain't got no people in there, boy, you might want to watch them.
That's a good point. Shit, that's a good way to look at it.
Uh-huh. Let's see here.
Cash on this.
And I've seen so many things. Like the other day, I heard a lady talking to a woman, and what she said, I want to
Summer.
Look, she said,
I bet the back up.
you've been cheating on me.
Just got some gas about 40 miles from Columbia, and I believe we're going to hit some rush hour traffic. It's right, boy. We working on it. About 5 hours from the house. Let's get it. Well, we made it to Columbia, you guys, and this is what we're dealing with. Of course, it's to be expected, because it's 5 o'clock somewhere. 5 o'clock in Columbia, South Carolina. You don't have to tell me to come on. I was coming. That's disrespectful. I'm gonna get your ass straight for a daggum. I'm gonna make you a bucket before you get home. Huh? It's part of it, you guys. We working our way home, slowly but doggone surely. Ain't nothing to see here. Let's roll. It look bad back that way, you guys. Some people already put their rain suit on, but some people didn't. But I'm not gonna fight nothing like that without the gear. Go ahead and get some gas while we make it stop. Use the bathroom, make the most of it. This is where we get it at Food Line, or used to. The loves.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.